that one's good, huh? This is pear. Wanna try this? You like that? Move your hands, Macy. I know you want more. You like that. You like that. Hey, gotta go slow. That's good. They're open. Hey. She's doing really good with it, except for the crying.
Chewing or swallowing it?
Yeah, she is swallowing it. I'm trying to move your hands, baby. You like that one, huh? Does that taste better than the other? Okay, she can't get enough of it. I also read online how to make my own rice cereal. But I read that it's not necessary to start them on rice cereal. You like that, yeah. You gonna be a fruit eater? Are you gonna be a fruit eater? You like pears like Daddy, huh? Gotta open that mouth. Yeah, you really like this, huh? Put the hand down. She's tired too. That's not open. Open mouth. Open mouth. Ah. There we go. You like that? I just gave you a bath today too, Booger. Guess we did that in the wrong order, huh? Come on, open your mouth. Ah, like mommy. Ah. I cannot believe how good she's doing at this.
She's good at everything, though.
You are a smart girl, huh? You are. Hey, put those hands down. Let me get up your nose.
Okay, you think that's good for the foods today?
Yeah. Although if we stop, she might get mad. She's enjoying this. Hey! Hey!
Seems like she's just mad regardless.
Yeah. She does like it though. That's a good thing. Alright, you want to stop and get some milk? Milk instead? Alright, that's done.
Alright, well, experiment 2, pear. Seems to be a success.